Another day, another video. In this video we will see what is programming language. A programming language is a formal language that is used to give instructions to a computer or other machine in order to perform specific tasks. Programming languages allow developers to write code in a structured and organized way, which can be executed by a computer. There are many different programming languages, each with their own syntax, features, and use cases. Some popular programming languages include Java, a high-level, object-oriented language that is widely used for developing web and mobile applications. Python, an interpreted, high-level language that is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It is used in data science, machine learning, and web development. JavaScript, a scripting language that is primarily used for front-end web development. It allows developers to add interactivity and dynamic content to websites. C++, a high-performance language that is used for developing system software, operating systems, and game engines. Ruby, a dynamic, object-oriented language that is used for web development, scripting, and automation. PHP, a server-side scripting language that is widely used for web development. It is often used in conjunction with HTML and MySQL to create dynamic web applications. These are just a few examples of the many programming languages that are used today. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of language depends on the specific requirements of the project. To work on a programming language, you'll need a few key tools. A text editor or integrated development environment, IDE. This is where you'll write your code. Some popular choices include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and PyCharm. A compiler or interpreter. This is what will take your code and turn it into machine-readable instructions that can be executed by a computer. Depending on the language you're using, you may need to download a specific compiler or interpreter. Documentation. Most programming languages have extensive documentation available online that can help you learn the language and troubleshoot issues as you work. Once you have these tools, you can begin learning and working with a programming language by learning the syntax and structure of the language. This involves understanding the rules and conventions of the language, such as how to declare variables, use loops, and write functions. Practicing writing code. Start with small programs and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. You can find practice problems and coding challenges online to help you improve your skills. Debugging your code. When you encounter errors or unexpected behavior in your code, use debugging tools to identify the issue and fix it. Collaborating with other programmers. Participate in online forums, attend meetups or conferences, and work on open-source projects to connect with other developers and learn from their experiences. Remember that programming is a continuous learning process, and there's always more to learn and improve upon. The key is to stay curious, persistent, and open to new ideas and approaches. Programming languages have a wide range of uses in modern society, including developing software applications. One of the most common uses of programming languages is to create software applications for use on computers, smartphones, and other devices. This includes everything from simple mobile apps to complex enterprise software. Automating tasks. Programming languages can be used to create scripts and programs that automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry, file management, and testing. Building websites. Programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are used to create dynamic websites with interactive features and responsive designs. Analyzing data. Programming languages like Python and R are used extensively in data science and analytics to clean, analyze, and visualize large datasets. Developing video games. Programming languages like C++ and Unity are used to create video games for consoles, PCs, and mobile devices. Controlling hardware. Programming languages like C and assembly are used to write software that controls the behavior of hardware devices, such as microcontrollers and sensors. Developing artificial intelligence and machine learning systems. Programming languages like Python and Java are used to build systems that can learn and make decisions based on data and experience. These are just a few examples of the many uses of programming languages. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for programming languages in the future. There are many different types of programming languages, each with their own unique features and use cases. Here are some of the most common types. Procedural programming languages. These languages use a series of procedures or functions to perform specific tasks. Examples include C, Pascal, and Fortran. Object-oriented programming languages. These languages are based on the concept of objects, which encapsulate data and methods that operate on that data. Examples include Java, C++, and Python. Functional programming languages. These languages are based on the concept of functions as the primary building block of a program. Examples include Haskell, Lisp, and ML. Scripting programming languages. These languages are designed for quick and easy scripting of automated tasks or web applications. Examples include JavaScript, Perl, and Python. Markup languages. These languages are used to describe and structure data, but are not typically used for programming logic. Examples include HTML, XML, and Markdown. Domain-specific programming languages. These languages are designed for specific applications or domains, such as SQL for database management, MATLAB for numerical analysis, or LaTeX for typesetting scientific documents. Low-level programming languages. These languages are designed to interact directly with hardware or system resources, and are typically used for device drivers or operating system development. Examples include assembly language and machine code. These are just a few examples of the many types of programming languages. There are also hybrid languages that combine features of different types, as well as new languages being developed all the time to meet emerging needs in technology. Thank you for watching. For more such content, subscribe to our channel and let us know in comments which topic you want to learn about.